How much it costs to protect our homes, businesses, and cars will be big topics of conversation this legislative session. For many people, it's just gotten too expensive. Lawmakers are set to take up several bills designed to make some big changes. And Mike McDaniel is also at the state capitol for us tonight with a closer look.
With the next hurricane season on the horizon for Louisiana, state lawmakers are trying to get a handle on what they call an insurance crisis.
I think what you're going to see this session are bills designed to make Louisiana more like neighboring states, bring us back in line with the rest of the country.
Newly elected Insurance Commissioner Tim Temple says Louisiana needs to be competitive. He hopes removing some state regulations will attract more insurance companies.
We want them to actively come to Louisiana. We want to give them a chance to do business here. And the sooner we do that, I think the sooner people can expect to see change.
Temple, a former insurance executive, wants lawmakers to simplify the claims process and get rid of what's called the 3-year rule. That prevents insurance companies from dropping homeowners who've held their policies for 3 years.
Louisiana is the only state that has that law in place. And if it was such a good consumer protection bills, I think you would see other states emulate it. The simple fact is they don't.
Governor Jeff Landry, who supports deregulation, says recent hurricanes and increased claims have squeezed the insurance industry out of Louisiana.
Many insurance companies have now left us. Those companies still writing insurance have raised rates to cover those losses.
That's left many homeowners relying on the state's insurer of last resort, Louisiana Citizens, which can come with much higher premiums. Other homeowners simply can't afford to be insured.
The devil is always in the details.
Democratic Representative Matthew Willard of New Orleans says he's willing to work on insurance reform, but has some concerns about what that looks like.
We definitely need to do things to improve competition in the state of Louisiana, but I don't want to do anything to improve competition that will come at a cost to homeowners and to taxpayers in Louisiana.
Whatever happens, lawmakers have 3 months to get it done.
Insurance typically is a slow-moving change, which is why it's more important than ever that we enact these changes to start that clock of change to ticking.
The session officially wraps up June 3rd. Lawmakers hope fast-tracking some of these bills will mean impactful changes during hurricane season this fall. At the state capitol, Mike McDaniel, WWL, Louisiana.
Temple also wants to find a long-term funding source for the state's fortified roof program. That program grants up to $10,000 for homeowners who repair or replace roofs to a higher standard.